What is the main component of the Earth's atmosphere? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. Correct answer, B. Nitrogen. Which subatomic particle has a negative charge? A. Proton. B. Neutron. C. Electron. Correct answer, C. Electron. What is the chemical formula for table sugar? A. NaCl. B. C6H12O6. C. H2O. Correct answer, B. C6H12O6. Which element is essential for the process of photosynthesis in plants? A. Carbon. B. Oxygen. C. Chlorine. Correct answer, A. Carbon. What is the process of a solid turning directly into a gas called? A. Sublimation. B. Condensation. C. Evaporation. Correct answer, A. Sublimation. What is the lightest element in the periodic table? A. Hydrogen. B. Helium. C. Lithium. Correct answer, A. Hydrogen. Which of the following is a greenhouse gas? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrogen. Correct answer, B. Carbon dioxide. What is the chemical symbol for iron? A. Fe. B. Ir. C. In. Correct answer, A. Fe. What is the primary component of natural gas? A. Methane. B. Ethane. C. Propane. Correct answer, A. Methane. Which type of bond is formed between metal atoms? A. Ionic. B. Covalent. C. Metallic. Correct answer, C. Metallic. What is the chemical formula for ammonia? A. NH3. B. H2O. C. CO2. Correct answer, A. NH3. Which element is commonly used in batteries? A. Zinc. B. Silver. C. Platinum. Correct answer, A. Zinc. What is the process of a liquid turning into a gas at its boiling point? A. Sublimation. B. Evaporation. C. Condensation. Correct answer, B. Evaporation. What is the chemical formula for hydrogen gas? A. H2. B. He. C. H2O. Correct answer, A. H2. Which element is used in nuclear reactors as a fuel? A. Uranium. B. Thorium. C. Plutonium. Correct answer, A. Uranium. What is the chemical formula for rust? A. Fe2O3. B. CuSO4. C. H2O2. Correct answer, A. Fe2O3. Which gas is produced during the fermentation process? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Hydrogen. Correct answer, B. Carbon dioxide. What is the main component of the Earth's core? A. Iron. B. Nickel. C. Copper. Correct answer, A. Iron. What is the chemical formula for baking soda? A. NaCl. B. NaHCO3. C. NaOH. Correct answer, B. NaHCO3. Which element is used in the production of stainless steel? A. Chromium. B. Titanium. C. Aluminum. Correct answer, A. Chromium. What is the chemical formula for sulfuric acid? A. H2SO4. B. HCl. Correct answer, A. H2SO4. Which gas is used in the process of welding? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Acetylene. Correct answer, C. Acetylene. What is the chemical formula for methane? A. CH4. B. CO2. C. NH3. Correct answer, A. CH4. Which element is commonly used in the production of glass? A. Silicon. B. Sodium. C. Calcium. Correct answer, A. Silicon. What is the process of a gas turning directly into a solid called? A. Deposition. B. Vaporization. C. Fusion. Correct answer, A. Deposition.
New to this channel? Please subscribe and take your knowledge to next level. It's Quizcracker presentation.